What's going on, guys? Your boy Beau Rakes. We in Los Castillos today, between Sosua and the airport. Actually, we're right by the orphanage up here where Z teaches English at. All right, let's go check this spot out. It's a spacious 2-bedroom, 1-bath Airbnb. Well lit, nice natural light. Washer, dryer. Watch out, guys. Another content creator.
Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
It's another content creator. Now you look like. A lot of natural light. Should boy the blessing. Nice towel too. This cat got a wallet. Hilarious. Very secure place. All right, guys, I'm gonna show y'all in Los Castillos. You can see they're doing a lot of building. They're doing a lot of building all over DR. What is this? All right, so this is the orphanage. That's huge. I like that. That's gonna be like 4 units. That's cool. I came over here the other day and I seen this container